Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's very clear to see that the last 24 hours for Bitcoin are very interesting. That's the right word to use, as it's not tested the support close to 98,000, nor it tried to break the resistance at 103,000. It's just been consolidating bang on close to 100k. Why? Because there's a lot of people taking profit. At the same time, a lot of new investors or whales are deciding to buy in as long as they can get a price under 100k. Therefore, the price is going to consolidate before another explosion, which is expected from major companies. Now, if we talk about the trading volume, you can see it's still holding strong, close to 75 billion, and the trading volume for Dogecoin has also had a really strong pull up, as you can see, compared to Solana and BNB, which actually plummeted quite strongly. The reason Dogecoin got such a good push is because of some tweets that Elon has done. The Doge father, the Doge son, and on the other end, a couple of hours later, this was the one that he posted. He's obviously trying to talk about Dogecoin. Now, there are some risk involved with stable coins, and this could impact the whole crypto market, while Hong Kong is also trying to regulate the same thing. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest news first, make sure you go down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the way that Bitcoin has been performing. Now, you'll realize that the last 24 hours have been really interesting, as it's not able to make a decision in terms of what direction it wants to take. Especially if I put it into an hour chart, you can see that in the last 8 hours, it has not even moved from the exact same price. There is no volatile or nothing happening, to be more precise. And especially if you look at this pull up that we received, this was after the unemployment data came out. It was definitely in favor that there is going to be some sort of interest rate pullback, and that's why, you know, the riskier assets are going to be seeing inflow of cash, and that's exactly how Bitcoin reacted. There was a little bit of profit taking as people are a little bit unsure and skeptical about the price of 100k. So now we're just consolidating right under 100,000, and this is not a support, just to give you perspective, and nor this is a resistance. So it's very interesting the way the Bitcoin price is reacting. From here, it's a lot higher chance of the price going up as compared to downside. As you can see, it's been, you know, holding strong here for quite a good margin of time. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's a very clear uptrend that Dogecoin is forming, and there is no signs of it slowing down. Every single time it has a little bit of a leg up, it definitely creates a floor a little bit higher compared to the previous floor. Right now, the floor is sitting close to 44 cents, and we are retesting where we got rejected multiple times, close to 45 cents. If we're able to climb over this, this could have a huge impact on the Dogecoin price, as this could make it go explosive. Now, I did mention, I will take my word for it, when Bitcoin is going to cross 100k, we will be seeing a lot of movement from Dogecoin. One thing you do need to understand, the reason Dogecoin is being quiet right now is how volatile Bitcoin is. What does this mean? Well, there is just too much money that's actually flowing into Bitcoin right now. Once the money starts circulating around, and just to give you perspective, I'm just talking about the cycle. Once the money starts flowing around, Dogecoin will be one of the first thing that the retail investors will be targeting. And let me tell you, or let me show you, to be more precise, in terms of what to expect. If you just look at the meme coins category, you'll realize that the market cap has become a little bit stable ever since the 14th of November, which is nearly a month ago now. Yes, we're seeing a little bit of an incline, but it's definitely come to a standstill. And the reason for that is most of the Dogecoin, or I mean, actually the meme coin market, is waiting for Dogecoin to do something explosive so everything can follow through. And you can see that even if you look at the 90 days result, Doge is still leading the chart, knowing that it's one of the largest. If not, adding everything else up together would not even equal to how big Dogecoin has become. On the other end, if we talk about the open interest, it's up another 10%. This is a positive sign. 3.5 billion. The long to the short ratio is still in favor of long at 76%. So there is still so much upside potential as compared to downside. And seeing how supportive our boy Elon has been, towards Dogecoin, it's a good deal. That's all I'm going to say. And this is another one which everyone's been talking about. And if you just scroll down a little bit, this was one of the ones which I really like. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin makes both of them run away. That's really, really funny. Now, talking about stable coins. Now, you guys know stable coins are pretty much the backbone of cryptocurrency. Any big problem or major issue that the stable coins are going to run into, it's definitely going to have a negative impact on the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin and FSOC. Now, if you guys do not know what FSOC stands for, it's just the Financial Stability Oversight Council. Now, this is a big council. They're just talking about the risk of financial stability associated with stablecoins, as stablecoins pretty much act as, you can say, a US dollar. So if people start using stablecoins more frequently, it's gonna get the government to lose a little bit of control over where the money is spent and taxation. So the same thing is happening with Hong Kong, as they're trying to pass a bill that's going to regulate stable coins. They love cryptocurrency, but they don't like stable coins because cryptocurrency is going to have some sort of fluctuations. There's going to be people making profit, people losing money. But with stable coins, it's just a way to have digital currency without having the use of MasterCard or Visa. That's a huge deal. And Russian oil chief warns gold will be US dollar's biggest rival. Now, give you perspective, Fed announced how Bitcoin is not going to be a rival to US dollar, rather it's going to be a rival to gold. Now, the Russian oil chief is talking about how the US dollar is going to have a rival, which is going to be gold. So correlation, you can see that Bitcoin and US dollar at one point will become rivals, which is a little scary point, as one of them would destroy the other one. UK government holds over 6 billion in Bitcoin. That's a lot of money that's been held by the government, and Germany is not happy with the way they sold just before the big push up. Another whale that I've been paying attention to is this one. Now, you guys can see just in the last 7 days, they have purchased close to $25 million worth of Dogecoin. And this one, you guys can see, you can do your maths, but on the 5th, when the price went to 44 cents, sold 9 million and then kept buying. That's all I'm going to say. Now, this is Bitcoin whales accumulation is going parabolic. They bought another 20k Bitcoin in just last 24 hours. That's worth about $2 billion, knowing the price is at 100k right now. Now, Iran plans to organize cryptocurrencies, and that's huge because another country getting involved with crypto is definitely going to be having a good deal in the future. That's all I'm going to say. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.